Spiscum. So thank you for joining me today, guys. So basically today what I'm going to be doing for is I'm going to be going through a Bible, and it's a Bible actually I carry with me everywhere. It's my travel Bible, and I actually bought this one from Alswood Priory, and as you can see, beautifully laid out, got a nice zip on it. And I'm going to basically let you have a look at this and show you how special this Bible is to me. Now you're going to see lots of things in here, cards, crosses, different things. This is a Bible which I actually take with me everywhere. Obviously you've seen my Ascension Present Bible, which I've done a review on. I'm going to have them both next to each other so you can have a good look and see the size difference. Obviously here you can see my Bible here, and it's absolutely beautiful one. Obviously it's the Christian Community Bible Catholic Pastoral Edition, which is absolutely brilliant, and obviously here it's right next to the Ascension Presents Bible, which obviously you've already seen me do the review on. Now with this Bible, obviously you're going to see there's lots of things within this Bible actually, which is it's got things in it like crosses and different things, which obviously you can see what I've got everywhere in here. Obviously the order I was a part of, and different things, worldwide rugged rosary bits and bobs in there. Now the layout of the Bible is absolutely amazing. As you can see here, you've got everything you would need to actually find wherever you want within the Bible. Now this is the Bible I carry everywhere I go with me. So obviously if I'm away from home or anything like that, like when I stay at Alswood Priory for example, this will be the Bible I take with me. Obviously this is my home Bible. This is actually a study Bible from Ascension Press, which I absolutely love, which is really, really good. I mean, I think the pictures in this one are much better than obviously the my travel Bible, but obviously because of the zipping and the casing, I find this one is much better protected. Obviously when you put it in your bag or your Bergen and you go off, especially I like to go for big country walks and travel, it's good to actually have it with me, and it keeps the book safe. So here you can see they're both open, obviously, like they both have the prayer cards. I do use both of my Bibles like extremely a lot, as you can see. Obviously this one's got the two ribbons, where this one only has the one. Here we go. And it's an absolutely beautiful Bible. Now also as well, you saw me the other day with this, was a beautiful gift from my friend, from Hugh Green Man from Wales. And I've also got the Gratitude Rock as well, which I've done the review on earlier on, which is right here, which is absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read that psalm to you, and that from the Bible, and then I'm going to have a little chat about how you can use your Gratitude Rock as well. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to read to you, which is obviously Psalm 145:18, which is a beautiful verse, which I love this psalm. And again, this gift was a dear gift from my friend, or my brother James. Absolutely love him a bit. He lives in Wales. And again, do check out Ye Green Man. They do some beautiful products for Christians and other faiths as well. Obviously not everything's always compliant with what Christians believe, but they sell some beautiful products and an absolutely fantastic business, so do check them out. But I'm going to go and read this now for you. So I'm going to read this from the Great Adventure Bible. Okay, and Psalm 145:18. The Lord is near to all who call upon him, to all who call upon him in truth. That's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Now I'm going to explain a bit about the Gratitude Rock. Now, this is beautiful, what my friend has given me. I absolutely love this, but I'm going to remove this in a moment. But the Gratitude Rock, obviously you can see it's here. It's made from glass. The beautiful thing with this is it's something you can keep in your pocket. Obviously with me, I'm Roman Catholic, so I carry my rosary beads with you. But if you're Christian and you don't have rosary beads, or you don't carry rosary beads with you, you can have one of these, and these are very, very beautiful. I'll let you see it, and you can keep this with you in your pocket, and it's a reminder of God's sacrifice. It's a reminder of what Christ did for you. It also gives you obviously the Sacred Heart. If you're Catholic, you'll understand what I mean by that. And obviously it shows you Christ's love. So it's something to have on you and keep with you all the time. Now you can keep it on the card, but the card will get damaged. Personally with me, I will remove the card and keep the stone. But wanted to share that with you all. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. I'll keep the card as a bookmark for my Bible to go with my many other bookmarks. But it's a beautiful, beautiful thing to have, and I highly do recommend Ye Green Man for these products. They are very, very, very good. So obviously this is my great this is the Great Adventure Bible, obviously from Ascension Press, but this one here is absolutely beautiful. Like I say, I bought this from Alswood Priory. I do really, really recommend this one. This is the one I carry with me when I go elsewhere and outside when I pray. So obviously both of these Bibles are really, really good because they actually have the full 7 books, obviously, which haven't been taken out. Obviously, with the Protestant Reformation with Martin Luther, so these ones have the full 7 books which have been taken out of, obviously, the King James Bible and different ones like that. So yeah, we've got some big things up and coming for the channel. This is only a small video this week because I've had quite a lot to do preparing for the documentaries which we're doing for you, which will be released very, very soon. So without further ado, I'm going to say goodbye and let you look forward to seeing the next videos we have, which is a beautiful parish in Mepham, which is Mepham Church, and also we're going to be taking you to Alresford Priory. God bless, and thank you for spending time with me. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining the channel. Like I said, I do apologise, I've been quite ill, so it took me a while to actually film these videos for you. But please do check out my sponsors, which is obviously Worldwide Rosary. You can see all the great, magnificent things they do now. I can pull up their website now, and as you can see, they do everything from rosaries, prayer cards, hoodies and t-shirts, bands, which I'm actually wearing right now, you can see, and they also meet on Zoom and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and they do live prayers all around the world. Also, please do check out It's Entertainment. It's Entertainment are fantastic. You do animations, video editing, help you with analytics and teach you how to do your channel and actually help guide you through the process, and they're extremely reasonably priced. So please do check out It's Entertainment. They're my team of Road to Faith, and absolutely love them to bits. I can't recommend them enough. And also please do check out Ye Green Man. Now obviously they do things for other religious beliefs, so obviously for those of you out there who are, devout Christians, even like myself, there's certain things you may not like, but their actual products are beautiful, and they're all made of glass. The man who owns the company is one of my best friends. I love him to bits, and it's absolutely amazing. They were based in Gloucester, but now they're based in Wales, and they're absolutely amazing. So as you can see here by their products, they do some amazing things from Christianity, and they cover other faiths as well. So I hope that helped, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I hope I'll be a bit better next week and we can crack on the tours and go back to the documentary which we're still filming. God bless.